The ordinary hero of the neighborhood. A neighborhood is not just a cluster of streets, it's a place filled with kindness, friendship, and human values. Every house has its story, every person has their dreams and struggles. In this neighborhood, tucked away from the city's hustle, lived a young man named James. James was an ordinary guy. His parents were simple craftsmen who taught him since childhood. Living with kindness is the greatest wealth. From a young age, James believed it was his duty to help the children and people around him. Every morning, James gathered the neighborhood kids to play sports. On the football field, they ran and played, but James also taught them life lessons. Strength isn't just about muscles, he'd say. True strength lies in patience and kindness in your heart. The kids admired and looked up to him. One day, after heavy rains, the old bridge connecting the neighborhood was damaged and had to be closed for safety. This bridge was more than a path, it was the way to school, work, and meeting friends. The community faced a big problem. No one knew how to fix it or where to start. James didn't hesitate. He called all the neighborhood youth together and explained the situation. "We will overcome this together," he said. "Each of us can help. Some can find materials, others can lend a hand or spend their time." His words sparked a change. The young people responded to James's call and began working together. They weren't just doing this for themselves, but for the whole neighborhood. James never acted like a leader, he was just one of them. From dawn to dusk, he worked with his hands cutting wood, bringing metal, helping paint. Others followed his example. Fixing the bridge wasn't easy. Sometimes materials ran short, the weather turned bad, and frustrations grew. But James always encouraged everyone with a smile and patience, saying, "We can do this." After a month, the bridge was completely repaired. The neighborhood was whole again, not just physically, but in spirit. They held a small celebration, joy and pride shining on every face. James became a true hero of the neighborhood. Yet, he never saw himself as above others. He was simply a person who united people, showed kindness, and offered a helping hand. In the following years, new projects began. Libraries opened, sports facilities were built, seminars were held for youth. James's initiative inspired many. Everyone realized that small efforts can bring great change. James's story teaches us that being a hero doesn't require fame or glory. True heroism is showing kindness to others, facing challenges together, and making a big difference through small actions. James's life is an example for all of us. Every person can contribute in their own way to make the world around them better. The key is to have kindness and faith in your heart.